Hello students, today we will do C programming logical operators. आज हम करेंगे C programming के logical operators. Here we are dealing with logical operator. That means we are dealing with logic. Logic means we will give answer either in true or false. And here we are having three operators: first and, second or, and last one not. Logical and, logical or, and logical not. Okay. Now, in case of AND operator, this will result in true only if both the conditions are true. For example, let us say I'm giving admission to some student who has marks greater than or equal to 70 plus the student has to be from Delhi. From Delhi. So we will write here if marks, let us write here, if marks are greater than or equal to 70 and city is equals to Delhi, double equal to Delhi. ये जो condition है will its syntax is different. We cannot check a string by this equal to, double equal to operator, but for the timing consider it like that. And here another bracket. Then we will write print f admission given semicolon else write printf declined. That means this statement will be printed that admission given only if student के 70% या उससे ज़्यादा मार्क्स है प्लस सिटी जो है वो दिल्ली है, यानी कि दोनों कंडीशन अगर ट्रू है only then answer will be true. It will result in this true and your answer will be yes, admission given. Otherwise printf declined. Now let us say in another scenario, let us say I have two condition and if any of the condition is true then I'll give admission to that person. For example, मैं कहती हूँ कि अगर student के 90% या उससे ज़्यादा marks हैं तो city is no bar. That means if a person is having marks greater than or equal to 90, then either city is okay. Okay. But if marks are less than or equal to 70, then city must be Delhi. Okay. So here I can consider if marks are greater than equal to 90. If this is true, that means कि अगर हमारा वो statement true होता है तो भी चलेगा. Otherwise, if this is false, then that must be true. That two condition, this must be true. Okay. So we can collaborate here. If marks are greater than 90, then city doesn't matter. But here we can write these two condition. Marks should be greater than or equal to 70 and city is equals to Delhi. If इसमें से अगर ये condition true होती है तो भी this will run, and if this condition is true, this whole condition, this is condition 1, this is condition 2. If this is true or this is true, either of the condition is true, this statement will run. Printf admission given. Else printf declined. That means here if this condition is true or if this condition is true, दोनों में से अगर कोई भी condition true होती है तो हम admission देंगे. If this is true and this is false, admission will be given. if this is false but this is true, admission will be given. but if both are false, दोनों ही false हैं, तो ये और कभी true return नहीं करेगा and will go to this else block. This else block. Okay. Next is our not operator. Not का मतलब होता है ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बाकी चाहे जो मर्जी हो. For example, let us say I want to give admission to those students who does not belong to Delhi. Yes, जो दिल्ली के रहने वाले नहीं हैं, उन सबको मैं एडमिशन देना चाहती हूँ. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू कंसिडर डेली स्टूडेंट. ऐसे केसेस में हम वहां रेफर करते हैं जहां पे वी हैव सर्टेन रिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी फॉर आउटसाइडर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी विल राइट हियर इफ सिटी is not equal to Delhi, is not equal to Delhi, then printf admission given, else printf else